With a packed gallery including victim Darren Deede's parents who flew in from Germany, the attorneys began presenting their case to the 8 women and 4 men on the jury. And Deputy County Attorney Jennifer Clark started in dramatic fashion, describing the state's version of events, even pumping the empty shotgun Kaarma fired into the darkened garage when his wife heard an intruder.
No, 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 please. That's what Janelle said that Darren was pleading right before he was shot on April 27th, 2014, by the defendant in this case, Markus Kaarma. You're going to hear that this gun, in order to load it or to shoot it, takes 3 deliberate actions. And you're going to hear that the defendant himself said that when he went out, he had to struggle before that first shot, and he thought the safety was on. And so he ended up punching a little button on the bottom that releases the pump so he could load a shell. And what he had to do to load that shell.
However, defense attorney Paul Ryan accused the state of rushing to judgment by charging Kaarma with murder. He said Kaarma had been shaken and was anxious by an earlier burglary.
This real fear that he was going through with home invasion, lack of police response, and the fact that he was going to be leaving in a couple weeks was a lot for this man to deal with, almost too much.
Ryan claimed Kaarma suffers from social anxiety and was afraid his wife and baby were in danger from the teens who had been garage hopping in the neighborhood, fears that came to a head when a regular Saturday turned violent.
He's shaken the whole time. His heart feels like it's going to go through his chest. This is not a case about baiting. This is a case about targeting. It was a man who was fearful, and he had to take a step that no one wants to take.
The state's first witnesses were Big Sky High School students who told about the burglaries earlier this year. In Missoula, Dennis Bragg reporting.